This will be a cold start of the 3 current Toro lawn mowers I own. 2 of these are almost identical. These are the Toro Recycler 22-inch. And both of these have the guaranteed to start 7.25 gross torque 190cc engine. And they both have personal pace. This particular one is model 20334. And this has electric start. We can see if the battery's still charged. And this one's a rope start, model 20332, also personal pace. And these have ready start. Auto chokes on them. This one's missing the sticker, but it's an auto choke engine. Very nice lawnmowers. They both have the quick wash ports. And what I like about it is you can either bag or mulch with the lever up and bag with the lever down. Very nice feature where you don't have to remove the bags. And we actually just did a cold start on this Toro Super Recycler. It's got the guaranteed to start 6.75 gross torque 190cc engine. Also personal pace. And this is model 20092. All 3 really nice lawnmowers. This is 21-inch, and of course these 2 are 22. Let's get each one of these a start. See if we can wake them up. This is what the blades look like under each one of these. This is the Recycler 22-inch Recycler blade. This one's identical. And the Super Recycler 21-inch. This one's a little bit unique. Will really mulch leaves during the fall, as well as grass clippings. And we'll start with the electric start, model 20334, and see if this battery's still charged on it. Auto choke, and let's just press the button and see what happens. Doesn't want to start. Oh, it's trying. There we go. It's going to be cold. Keep running. The battery's still charged. Very nice lawnmower. The model 20332 next. And the electric start one, it took a bit to start, it finally did. Now we'll try the model 20332. This is a rope start, auto choke. Let's see how well this one does. And this one probably hasn't been started in about 3 months, much like this one. Here we go. heard it. There we go. That sounds good. Personal pace. That started better than the electric start one. Give the Super Recycler a start. And now we'll give the Super Recycler a start. This is model 20092. Serial number plate is located on the side if that comes out. SR4 Super Recycler. We actually just did a cold start of this with the 5 inches of snow we had recently, so it shouldn't be a problem starting this again. And it didn't want to start that day. Let's see how well it does today. Here we go. First time. And personal pace. This one mostly all the time, just cuts really nice. Needs to run some like the rest. Favorite lawnmower here. Started right up. So all 3 Toros started up. We're going to change the oil in each one of these. Clean the air filter out and also check the blade, see if they need sharpening. And that is about all you really need to do to these for the year. Which one of these do you like the best? And thank you for watching.